trying to respond to your question.
Mate.
Missing confirm
lecturer.
Uncle Burkina. Let me lecturer. Confirm to Tunko Burkina.
Okay.
Victoria Guinea. What you say? And now, laptop I see a cheche ukromano. Papa Biano, so the kind of. Agambela. Many cases like that. And Kube and Yanton Kube or Brazil near my intimate account. The
same way I'm drawing your attention to some of the cases under your administration. How have you been able to handle those cases? I mentioned PDS.
PDS was system.
Oh.
PDS, that's what the president being so proactive, say, of course, you say, say, you are talking about a decisive president. You are talking about proactive, efficient, and more effective presidency. And now, a branch here, I've always said, I've always said, Nanado is more youthful in the brain than Mahama.
Oh.
Yeah, oh yes, youthful in the brain. Because the man is more interested in the youth-centered policies. Not doing an answer, Mabunu. Mr. Peja on some you cause around and I'm a young man. Papa no now no boomsa. There be a non we need to do things that will translate into political dividend, social dividend, economic dividend, to change the life of people. Anyone that is here talking about transformational agenda, Nkolani Niamanubia. Nkolani Niamano. Let me see Kokudi Assembly Baro. So Nkolani Niamano, Sonia Manusa, they are changing this country. Attack and boo normally. And your man, Kolani Niamano, Sasana, you may be 4 years in Echo. But for us, everything that we have said, you deliver with dispatch and distinction. You know, that is the party.
Mate.
And the corruption, yes, you are fighting it. You have a mandate for another 4 years. And Nanado is talking tough. That man, a very strong character person, very tough-minded person. We're a minister. One trial bind them with that. Those days, even those days, he will never do salaries and other things.
Vitus Azim say president, he doesn't act on his words.
The Vitus no one only in there him. Oh, yeah, you know.
Oh, anti-corruption campaigning.
Or appendage of NDC.
Oh, why do you say this?
Oh, we know him.
We
say an appendage. His office. His office. So we claim some anti-corruption or extension of NDC office.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. They do NDC business.
I see. I mean, Kobana in Homra. Kwaku, so sumame on this engagement, president in the corruption coalition for Ninya.
It's like a Muna socialist inclined political party. Because we see NDC is jabbling identity crisis. They don't even have an ideology. They don't have it. Oh, better someone a job back. No money now, some socialist, no, some center left. Social Democratic Party. They don't even know where they are. Confused party they are. Media, I'm not surprised. In Kayasi, Yedi, Agenda 111, health policy. And it should be the last political party to have even a way of say they should be afraid of some of these things. And because the thing said MPP and DBA coalition, that's not what they are looking at.
I see.
So you know, we are on course.
But the health minister's assurance said there's no single project under the watcher, and developed and are completed. You know, what do you make of it?
Yeah, that man, he's a solid man. I have known him. Oh yeah. In terms of finance,
you can't see a penny profile now. ATA.
Oh. Penny profile.
No, that's how I mean. The profile, they dreamt to know appointment. Now my the profile. Does it speak to the issue currently on the table?
That is why he's telling you, Sadibi Wakabi Obey.
Oh,
minimum. Since when he was the deputy minister of finance, our public account committee chairman. Apart from few things, you cannot be a paragon of it.
And
never to me back a crank. Won't go for you. You see, I can't somewhere. Papa Nankasano, Papa no. Or on the same say, boy.
But almost a candidate for jail in the future.
Sir. And NDC former president Nenam Kruma.
Oh,
more power. I don't know.
Because
yeah, sure.
You know what I'm saying? That's why when they speak like this, some of us become so offensive. As if they don't even know what they talk about. We are practicing democracy. And yeah, dictatorship. And yeah, to trust them near Basao. Your mind on the Jina Nema. It's Probiachina and Papano de Zangano. But media, that's just what I'm a Democrat by choice.
True.
I believe in democracy. You know, one there, achievable, highly practicable, and for me, you know, to come to pass. And I do it. So I can't feel such. Until the meaning, I'm support social democratic party. No more Yaramoko Jina, no Musu Kwame, almost Kwame from my name, Kwame Mususa, nothing happens. That's easy for you.
I mean, I say now you make progress, but Enra president encounter with the anti-corruption coalition, you know. Okasa and Sembibre, who na president, it appears as a nyedi amount for canon UTA in his own estimation, debut now then, and I make us say in his own estimation. Oh, but why?
You want your man to finish it down.
Oh, Debbie, me say. But in the president's own estimation, no, and in some more can say.
Now, president,
oh, but then and walk on that. Nanya no one, and you want to kind and keeping your biaka. Ah, na send the estimation of the situation, no.
Estimation, I said.
Bema, so do any bua. President say corruption party. Idea with me too susapa. Now, apart from so strengthening, the anti-corruption agencies, no, there's no single issue of corruption left. I mean, unhandled under his watch. Or see, I don't think that any government has mobilized resources to give the opportunity for anti-corruption agencies of the state to function as efficiently as this government has done. And it's a matter of record. The president also noted that without such investment in anti-graft institutions, the vexed issues of fighting corruption would have been in vain. If the institutions of the republic that are meant to take the struggle are not capable to do so, all talk about fighting corruption remain meaningless. He was also unhappy about the politicization of alleged corruption-related issues, but said he will continue to pay heed to the disquiets and suggestions on the matter to strengthen the fight against the canker. Now, one issue I noted, President in same year, where he did say the current acting auditor general is doing well, unlike the predecessor. I say media hype and I know genius, but when it comes to corruption, they are. Banahine Akufo Addo so aye bi pa. Take it away. Oh well, what do you think? Faye, what's a Faye? Faye, born no dia watch us on YouTube. Yes, I think for.
I say you asi bia ho. Can you talk? Obi ehun de ekoso.
Mo.
Nti say can you to sun no so a. Ene ehun say ene ma bi hye baabi. So for us, at any time you continue to talk about corruption. Say it's to reduce it to the barest minimum. Yentimi nyin free ho kra. So bonsam kra na ho osoro ho.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, near masa bobo senku no ojeje akenje ni bi no no mo ye near ma ne to no ba asase so. Ti a kire say baby in any environment bi anipa wo ho bia no. Nipa boni wo ho.
Of course.
So we need to deal with things decisively. And we have Financial Administrative Act, Procurement Act. Sanema we nyina ye yekuo na de ba yo. Se beto hyen akọ ketase kankan ne proye. Na ma enipa hu say sanema no emboa o man. Because man sika de me I've always say I'm a total strong advocate for say obi ye odi oban sika say punishing.
I know dear.
Punitive actions should be meted out to those people. Say o man sika nyina ye say timi nya me because school downtown. And I mean, regular man, my Tony Macacra, Caconi, man, or the because of gas and time. Sometimes the school fees are in a metria, or so said to your tax. Yaki cunning in album now, what your Maya Jumaya house maybe. For me, I don't support that. But at time, and then Penny bet me a you bet me a master sanko for me and Brassemono on Bejai. And say they invested in those institutions. And I don't talk about it. We need to strengthen those institutions are remember ngofo atimi adwane saa ne ma na omo ye no and all over the world I have studied a little because South Korea so ubeja wo phone ato what kwan mo bi amfa ubetuma ja pudio gold ba atu lo kwan bi amfa ba oba Ghana o ja wo phone to asore dem a ye bompa ye kra ba na ni